Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7 and today I brought another exciting review for you guys, and in this video I'm going to unbox this amazing egg bite maker which makes 4 egg bites, and you can also use this product and make many other recipes. For example, keto stuff, 1 bite macaroni or 1 bite brownie, and you can also make like vegetarian stuff and also gluten-free stuff. So we have some amazing features in this product. I will show you when I unbox this. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon for more videos and more content. So here we have some easy steps that we need to follow while making our yummy egg bites. At one time you can make 4 egg bites, and you can choose your ingredients and make some other stuff. You can also make small 1 bite cheesecakes and small cakes or any other thing if you want. So you can use this product in many ways as you want. So I'm gonna unbox this product for you guys, and I will show you all the contents and all the features about this product, and then we will make yummy egg bites in this product. So when I opened the box, we found the small card. We have the QR code on this, so we can use this QR code and scan it using your mobile phone camera, and you can go to their website and you can access to more recipes, and you can follow the recipes and make your own stuff. So I already take everything out of the box. Here we have one more recipe or stuff maker and all, also the booklet manual. You can use this manual and it will tell all the details about the product usage and also all the care about this product. So this product came in very good packing, and it's very secure in this packaging. So I just took egg bite maker out of the box, and it looks so beautiful, and the color is so beautiful. I love this color. You can find other colors too, but I was looking for this color, so I ordered this color from their website. So if you want to buy this, I will add the link in my description box. You can go there and reach the link, and you can buy your own egg bite maker. So here it looks like there is non-stick layer on both sides, and it looks like small sandwich maker, but it's not a sandwich maker. We got a big wire for this, and we have a timing LED light on the top of the egg bite maker, and we also got a wire. Is so good. You can use it on the counter in your kitchen, so the length is very good. Also we got some mini cups, and those cups we are using to make our egg bite maker. So I am making my own recipe, and I am preparing it according to my recipe. So I just added some eggs, and I'm just added mushrooms, and you can add as much as stuff you want, according to your taste and according to your choice. I'm also adding some chicken strips, and I cut it in small pieces, some onion. So if you like more veggies in it, you can add more veggies. If you like it's totally up to you. You can always choose your ingredients according to your taste. So I'm adding some salt, and I also added some pepper in it. So now I'm going to whisk it, and I'm gonna mix everything together properly. So once all the eggs and stuff is fully mixed, then we will put in our small cups. But before doing that, I will show you one more step, so you know how to cook your eggs in it. So I'm gonna plug in the wire in the electricity, and after that I'm going to add 1 small cup of water in the egg bite maker, because that's what the instructions are. So I'm just following my instruction in the booklet. So after that, all we're gonna do is just put the material in the small cups. You can add the same amount I'm adding in your cups. So once you added all the cups, just hold them carefully and put it in the egg bite maker carefully. So I added all the cups inside the egg bite maker, and once you added them, just carefully turn off the lid. A small indicator light will turn on, and that will tell you that your eggs are in making. So once your eggs are done, you can see like the light is turned off, and after that be very careful while taking the small cups out of the egg bite maker because they're very hot and they can burn your hand. So but I was just trying if I can use that like from my hand, I can use my hand or not. So first I'm gonna try it with a knife. Like if knife comes out dry, so it's mean the eggs are ready to eat. So I'm gonna take all the small cups out of the egg bite maker, and they're still hot, but I waited for 1 minute, and but they're still hot. If you wanna make more like egg bites, so you can take the these egg bites out of these cups and start making more. But the smell, like aroma, is so good and they look so yummy and so delicious. So now it's time to take these egg bites out of these small cups. But I forgot to tell you, they are like made of silicone, so they're like non-stick, so it's not that they're gonna stick inside the cup, but they're very good at that thing, and they are non-stick, so it's very easy to take them out of these cups. So now I'm gonna take this out and see how they came out. Oh my god, this looks so yummy and so satisfying while taking these cups. Okay guys, so I think this is gonna be my like most favorite thing to eat at the breakfast time. So I'm gonna make these yummy egg bites every day. If you wanna buy this product and if you guys wanna make your own like yummy egg bites every day, you can buy this product and using my description box, my link. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, see you, bye bye.